Is your cat bored of every toy you buy? You're not alone. I spent a small fortune on 50 different cat toys, feather wands, laser pointers, electronic mice, you name it. And what I discovered was shocking. The toys we think cats will love, they often ignore, while the simplest, most unexpected ones can turn your lazy feline into a playful predator. After weeks of testing with my very picky panel of critics, here are the only 5 cat toys for 2025 that actually delivered. The number 1 pick costs less than a cup of coffee. Starting at number 1. Mau Cento Cat Tree. Cats like to jump and climb whatever they can, so a cat tree should help keep them occupied and off your mantle or breakable glassware. Our favorite cat trees are made from materials that can be scratched up. We also have a guide to the fanciest cat furniture we've tried if you really want the full scoop. When you live in a small apartment, everything you decorate with matters because it's all on display. Nothing gets hidden when you only have 1 to 3 rooms. Some of us want our cat's furniture to match too. Mau Cat Tree is one of former Wired reviewer Medea Giordano's favorites. If you can afford it, your cats will thank you. Number 2. K&H Pet Products Kitty Sill Cat Window Perch. Our favorite window perch lets cats responsibly interact with the outside world. Former Wired reviewer Medea Giordano loved these window seats because they are a great way for cats to bask in the sun and keep a watchful eye on the neighborhood while safely indoors. They're easy to install too, with sticky strips that attach to your windowsill that can hold up to 40 pounds. You can also nail the base into the window frame, and there are even heated seats for super spoiled kitties. The covers are removable and can be machine washed. Heads up, you'll need a windowsill at least 2 inches deep to properly support it. Number 3. Desk Nest Cat Bed. I've been getting Instagram ads for this stylish bed that attaches to your desk for so long, I had to cave and see if it was worth the hype. Especially since I have a very needy cat who loves to lounge on my laptop while I'm WFH. This bed is easy to assemble, with an arm that screws into the wooden base and a screwed vise to keep the bed in place on the desk. It has adjustable vertical height, and the base also rotates. Just make sure you measure the surface you want to attach it to before you buy. My desk was too thick, and my side table was too thin. Luckily they sent additional planks to add into the screwed vise to make it sturdier, but I haven't found the perfect spot for it yet. Number 4. Petcube Play 2. This pet camera has the ability to control a laser via app, so you can engage and play with your cat even when away, and it aims to auto-engage when motion is detected, but very often it didn't. Although I wish the motion sensors were a bit more sensitive to engage and play more often while I'm not home, it consistently kept my cats entertained, plus it was fun to be able to play with them through the app from afar. Number 5. Enabot Rola PetPal Robot Pet Companion. Is it a toy? Is it a security camera? Is it a treat dispenser? There's no need to decide. While my cats were more curious than excited to play with this little robot, it did keep their attention, which is a win in my book. My cat Basil was obsessed with the toy attachment and loved finding different ways to pull it off. The app can be a bit glitchy, and the robot is by no means smart, but it is a camera you can move about your house while you're away, and it'll roll, slam into objects, and shoot treats out at your confused cats. At the end of the day, the robot was great at keeping their attention, which is all we really want in the end. And there you have it, the secret to unlocking your cat's inner hunter and ending the cycle of bored, ignored toys. I hope this saves you a ton of time and money. If your kitty goes crazy for any of these picks, let me know which one in the comments. If this guide brought some much-needed playtime to your home, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with a fellow cat parent. Subscribe for more pet tips, because next week we're testing the most overhyped cat food brands. All the links to get these 5 perfect toys are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching.